Hello! So I did this the other day, and I realised it made a sound. So I thought to myself, could I make a piano out of spoons and glasses, and then play famous songs? So I did. Before I continue this video, here is a quick sketch explaining when a piano made out of cardboard and spoons and glasses could actually come in use. Play me something. Certainly, boss. Where is the music? It ain't working, boss. What do you mean it's not working? I mean there ain't no sound coming out, boss. Well then play something else. Play the guitar. Why the devil is there no music yet? So step one was making the cardboard base where the glasses could basically be put in a place where they could be tapped, where they could be played, where the glasses could be dinged. Alright, so we've almost kind of finished the end of the start. Practice. Oh my god! Basically, glass there, we've got a spoon, something like this going on with the boop. Yeah, you get the idea. Next, I had to make the keys for the piano. So I did with spoons. Well, that took a while, but after an entire day of making this, I finally had something that kind of worked. It's working! Yo! Oh, no, it broke. It broke. It's a piano. So literally after an entire day's work of building this, I finally finished. The last step was tuning the glasses, which took like years. Maybe not literally. A really long time. Just a long time of tuning the glasses. In order to tune the glasses, I either increased or decreased the amount of water in the glass, going to a lower or higher pitch respectively. I just spilled water. Oh my, no, that's not nice. How do you tune glasses? This is... Then after finally tuning the glasses and finishing everything, it was time to play. The time we had all been waiting for. Well, maybe not, just me. Literally just me. It was time to play on the amazing spoon, cardboard, glass, DIY, amazingly inventive, water resonating, music generating, homemade piano 2000. Patent pending. That name is patent pending. And anyway, here are some songs that I managed to play on it. I'd only played a few. And that is actually all we can actually do. We only have 8 glasses, which means we only have 8 notes, and there are more than 8 notes in the Harry Potter tune, which I didn't realise at the start. I probably should have counted them. In the song Blinding Lights, there's like a drum beat, so I'm gonna play the drum beat with this. Now for the other drum, I'm gonna use Frozen DVD. It will give me the musical powers of Frozen, and Frozen is a great film. Don't say otherwise. I say ooh, whoa, ooh. Yes! I think that was it. Oh my gosh, that took way too long. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this, then give it a thumbs up maybe. Why am I doing this? Give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah, yes. Please subscribe. Even a like goes a long way, but you can just subscribe.